transition. Today we're going to make mini mummy pizzas for Halloween and everything. Let's all be festive. Okay, the ingredients we need today. We need an English muffin. We need some pizza sauce. We got some turkey pepperoni today. Just a few olives. And some string cheese. Okay, we're going to be using an oven today. And we need a baking sheet, a spoon, a knife, some paper plates, a bowl so we can put our olives in, sure, and oven mitts because the oven will be hot. Okay, let's start cooking, everybody. First thing, we're going to come to my oven, and remember, I need to push bake first, and then we need to be to 425, so I'm going to put the temperature to 425. There's 425, and then I'm going to push start. There we go. Very easy. All right, we're going to get our English muffin. Have someone help you cut it in half. Today we're using a kid knife. So, we're going to spread some pizza sauce on our muffins. Okay, use a spoon. Okay. Let's see, maybe about 2 spoonfuls, and then we're going to spread it. Okay, same thing on the other side. And another one. There we go. Let's put a little bit more in this one and top that one off. Okay. I'm going to wipe my hands. I always have towels available. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put some turkey pepperoni on our mummy pizzas. Okay, you can put as many as you want. And today I'm going to put 3 on each. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, next we're going to take our string cheese. First we're going to need to open it. So usually at the top they tell you to peel it off. So you just peel it all the way down and you take it out of the wrapper. Now for our mummy, when we do our mummy with our string, we're not going to take it in chunks, we're going to pull it like a string. Okay? And you could just start placing it on your pizza any way you want. Okay? Let's keep doing it. Just make it like a mummy's face. They're always covered in bandages. Okay. And let's do some on this one. I have an extra string cheese. So anybody probably need it. Kind of hard to take this apart. Let's open my hand. It'll be a little bit easier. Here we go. All right. There we go. All right. Okay. We got this, guys. All right. Remember, pull. Take it out. And you grab some cheese and you just pull it all the way down. And we place it wherever we want. Gotta get this mummy looking pretty cheesy, guys. Okay. Let's put one more on this other one. Now, we're going to take our olives. And we're going to cut them in half. Okay? I'll use another plate for that. Okay. If you don't have a kid knife, you can use a regular knife. Have someone help you. So you're just going to cut it in half. You just need really 1 or 2 olives, depending how many you're making. Okay. These are going to be the eyes of the mummy. So you need to figure out where you're going to put the mummy's eyes. I think I'm going to put my mummy's eyes right here. And then the next set. This looks looks good to me. Okay. We're going to put them on our plate. Well, not our plate, really our baking sheet. Okay. There we go. You can throw that away. Now, I think my oven is heated up, so we're going to go ahead and put it in. It's going to be hot in the oven, so I'm going to put on my oven mitts. I don't want to burn my hands. Here we go. Remember, you're going to open the door. Okay. And you're going to put them in. And then you're going to shut the door. So these are going to take about 12 minutes to make, so let's see what happens in 12 minutes.
1.
Okay, let's check out our Mummy pizzas. Let's see, open the door, use your oven mitt. Oh, they are done. Remember to press stop, so your oven will turn off. Ooh, these are some interesting looking mummies we have here today. And shut your door, okay? All right, let's try this one more time. There it goes. Okay, guys. We're gonna let them cool. But when they are cooled down, you can eat your Mummy pizzas. They look pretty cheesy. So until next week, I'll see you back with Cooking with Transition.